Liga?
Pogo.
Yeah, Pogo.
Pogo is illegal in the Philippines.
Oh, really?
They don't have license to operate.
Here?
Yes.
But I have a license.
Um,
What Pogo? What Pogo? Yeah. Try to search it. Pogo.
Philippine offshore gaming operators. So last July,
Hmm?
our president announced the ban of Pogo's nationwide.
Banned nationwide? Oh my god. But Pogo, this is it, Pogo. He Pogo.